Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to an update on Super. The Superverse, or previously known as Super Farm, had to do an update on that. Has been super bullish. Actually, we covered this yesterday when it was still below 36.5 cents, and then in the video I made on it, I'm not exactly sure what I said anymore, which is not great. But personally, I was still bullish on it. I think I said that if 36.5 cents breaks, it will probably rally up to 45 cents, and from there we'll see again. I mean, right now, the situation is pretty clear. Super is just super bullish. And that's the truth. I mean, if you look at it, the open interest has dropped down a little bit in the last, in the last hour actually, at least, probably the last 2 hours if you're watching this video when I uploaded it. But that has dropped down a little bit for the first time in a while, as you can see. But overall, it's still bullish. And it also seems like the open interest right here is recovering. All right, and that's not even the most bullish part. The most bullish part is that the funding rate is still great at minus 0.9%. That's only on Bybit, by the way. And that's I do want to grab a quick moment to tell you that usually Bybit really has the best funding rates when it comes to long in cryptos. And Bybit also has the most, or at least almost the most cryptos to trade. So consider signing up with Bybit. It really, if you want to make money with trading, I think Bybit is the best solution. I'm also partnered up with them. That makes me a little bit biased, but there's a reason why I'm partnered up with them. They're just a great exchange. All right. So there will be links down in the description to sign up. It doesn't cost you much time. You can just sign up, deposit your assets, and then you can trade on there. It's easy to use, great exchange. But now onto Super. So it still is very bullish. Like Super, even though the open interest has dropped down a little bit, it's still super high compared to the last couple of hours, and it is recovering. It seems like it's recovering, and the funding rate is great. All right, so there's a real incentive to long. So it would be foolish of me to be bearish. All right. Now, I do want to say, I mean, obviously, like one of the big reasons why it lost open interest is because it hit 0.5. 0.5 is a big psychological resistance level. So there were probably a few take profits there, right? So people take profits there, open interest drops down. That doesn't necessarily make Super bearish though, but it does. I mean, it is a resistance, right? You shouldn't underestimate it. But the big question right now is the next price target, which in my eyes is between, ultimately 60 cents, but let's say 55, 53 cents first. The big question is will Super get up there? All right. And I think the short answer is yes, it is possible, but it does depend. Like you can see right now that there was this, and I'm actually going to change some colors here. There was this main resistance level right here, around 45 cents, also a bit of a psychological level. So Super broke above that, which is great. But like I said, it now hit 50 cents. So there is a small possibility that that 50 cents level is just too strong and that Super will drop down below 45 cents. In which case, Super will probably fall back down lower to 36, 35 cents. And from there, it will probably find support, but it's very hard to still be bullish from there. And it's more likely to consolidate or fall down further. So the big test today is if Super is able to hold 45 cents. All right, that's a test. I think the most likely scenario is that it will hold it. All right, so just to give you my thoughts, I think it's most likely Super will rally up higher towards 55 and potentially 60 cents. And then from there, we'll see again. But that, I mean, that's you'll have to monitor that for yourself as well a little bit. See if Super is able to hold 45 cents. If it holds it for the next 2-3 hours while the open interest is also still increasing, because that is crucial too, so that it keeps increasing and recovers from this little drop, then it's just super bullish, all right? And that does seem most likely, especially with the funding rates like this. So those are my thoughts. That's my update. A bit of a longer video than I wanted actually. I wanted to just make a short video, but all right. Tons of value, at least I hope. If you do have any questions still, let me know down in the comments. Down in the pinned comment and the description, you will also find links to my own premium and signal group, trade signal group. If that sounds interesting and if this looks interesting, then check that out, but that's up to you. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.